Hi everybody, my name is Lisa. Welcome back to the House of Jane. Today I have my second Tea, Pray, Love box. Thank you so much for sending me this box for my review. If you didn't know, Tea, Pray, Love was started in 2019 in Michigan, and the movie Tea, Pray, Love inspired the owner to start this company for her love of teas and travel and all things that we do to spoil ourselves. So this is the July box. Good news, bad news. Unfortunately, the July box has been sold out. However, they do have a welcome box, and if you use the code Jane, you'll get 10% off. And if you sign up for email alerts, you'll be alerted for the next box, which is due in September. So let's get this box open as usual. It's fantastic. Because I did look at the spoilers. I peeked at this. I couldn't help it. Here is the little booklet. And it's just so put together very nicely. It's not like a huge booklet. It's so easy to get through, and it tells you everything in the box along with the corresponding price. It says, July message, all we need really is a change from a near frigid to a tropical attitude of mind. Okay, Marjorie Stoneman Douglas. What is a tropical attitude of mind? Well, I'd like to think of it as free and alive. It is also an attitude of pure bliss and, of course, warmth. While it is difficult to attain this attitude of mind at all times, very true, especially if you don't live in the tropics, we hope that you can find that space this season. May this July curation bring you a bit of sunshine, energy, and tropical tranquility. Tranquility. Chinwe, the owner. Okay, so let's go look and see the goodies. Has a little Tea, Pray, Love sticker, and this is what the July box looks like. I'm gonna get through everything like it's a chore. Not at all. The first two items are Beauty. We have a body scrub by Bubble Tea. It is watermelon, and it's almost 3.5 ounces. It's 3.38 fluid ounces. And this is a body scrub valued at $6.50. And it smells like watermelon, and it's great for your shower routine. I love body scrubs, especially ones that smell of fruit. And I think it is totally sealed. Yeah, it has the safety seal on side. So, you know, if you don't want to use it now, use it later. It's not going to spoil. It's very nicely sealed. Then we got by VO a Pineapple Glow Serum Antioxidant. And this is $18, $17.99. It is a tropical serum. Oh, I love serums where you just put them on and you don't have to wash them off. And it's glow because it's enhancing serum featuring pineapple extracts, MMHA, which is vegan friendly vitamins, and golden light reflectors. Okay. Why is this special? This particularly because it has molecular hyaluronic acid complex, which I hear is fabulous for your skin, pro vitamin B5, and natural extracts for a perfect dewy skin look. I'm using this tonight ASAP. Alrighty. So those are the creams, and of course we have for the body tea, we have this, comes in a little cute bag, and it's tea drops. So this, I've never ever used tea drops. It's citrus ginger, and 1 drop, this is for 1 cup. This is valued at, I'm going to give you the value, $2, very reasonable. And you put this in a cup of 4 ounces of boiling water. Stir and then pour over a cup of ice. Oh, okay, because I'm thinking 4 ounces is not a lot. So you put it over a cup of ice and then add another 4 ounces of cold water. Voila, and you have an iced blueberry acai tea. But mine actually is citrus ginger. So you could have gotten blueberry acai or citrus ginger. And I'm glad I got the ginger because I just love citrusy things. And ginger is really good to reduce inflammation in the body. Very cool. Never had this at all. First time. I'm a first timer. And then the tea product we got is by Nelson's Tea, and it's 1.6 ounces of tea, valued at $11.95. And I got blueberry acai mojito. So there's a couple of size boxes. This is considered the premier box. You would have also gotten this in the regular Petite Box, but a little bit smaller package. So the premier box, and I should have probably made that more clear before I started the video, you can get a premier or an artisan box. Excuse me, Petite Box. So this is in the premier, and these are in every box that you're going to get this month, as well as the tea drop. So you could have gotten that in these boxes. So the other thing I wanted to tell you about this tea is this is caffeine free, and you can have it hot or you can make it into an iced tea. And hot, you only use 1.5 teaspoons, and for iced, you're going to use 3 teaspoons and pour it over ice after it has steeped. So you're going to get a lot of uses out of this bag. And let me tell you anything you know about tea. If you've ever been in any tea shops, they're expensive. So this is actually a very good price at $11.95. Okay, now this is also what you're going to get in both the Premier and the Petite Box. Last month we got not last month, 2 months ago, we got the tea mug with the lid on it, and I'm telling you, I use that all the time because you can use the lid to keep your tea nice and hot, or as a coaster. And it's I can't remember the fluid ounces, it's a large size, but I like big cups of tea. This is a little bit different. Let me get this. Ooh, this is glass. I thought when I saw a spoiler that it was plastic. This is actually glass. It says made for sunny days. So this actually made it much more attractive item. I'd rather drink out of glass than plastic, and it is double-walled stemless glass, $20 value. So you can put your iced teas, iced coffees, or even iced wine, sangria. You can have all sorts of drinks in here. And definitely this is a hand washed item, and I love that it is orange. Orange is a very happy, sunny color. It's like a coppery orange. So this is really cool. And I thought it was plastic. So glass raised it up many, many notches. $20 for that. You'll get it in both the Artisan and the Petite Box. And then we got, all right, so this item is only in the, I don't know why I keep saying Artisan. It's not Artisan, it's Premier. It's my excitement. This one you'll only get in the Premier Box. It is a Valkyrie candle. Hello, Tom Cruise. I don't know, I think of Tom Cruise. And it's, oh my, High Tide. And I wish you could smell this. It is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. It's $8.50 value. And the reason why it's so beautiful, you can get different types. Mine is, I think you're going to get different type. You can get several sunny scents such as mimosa and mandarin, sunshine poppies, orchid and sea salt, cactus flower, high tides, and more. I have high tides. Truthfully, high tides, I don't know what it is, but I like the smell. It doesn't smell like the ocean, but it smells really pretty. So what I really like about this candle, it is a soy blend wax and dye free. It's lead free and zinc free wick sticks. So you shouldn't burn, wicks that have lead or zinc in them. It's not healthy for you to breathe that in. So this is a really nice candle, valued at $8.50 in the Premier box. And then all boxes, this is the Premier box as well. You're gonna get these artisanal biscotti almond bites. It's 1.25 ounces, 120 calories for 10 cookies. I think that is really a great snack. And in my house, I'll probably get like 2 of these. So do the math. 20 calories, maybe? I don't know, 30 calories, depending how much I can get. But I like biscotti, and it's only 7 simple ingredients, 10 cookies. So that's very nice. And it is valued at $2.99. And the last thing that the Premier box has is a book. And I am a reader, and I really enjoyed the book that we received last time on how to get to sleep, all 150 ways to sleep better, and it has been working. So we have a bookmark, and there's some quotes on there. We can remain shut down to our intuition, or we can open up and experience the synchronicity of life. Okay. Energy healing made easy. Unlock your potential as a healer. Well, to be a healer, you also have to have empathy and kindness, right? And healing means saying no when you need to say no. It means saying yes when you need to say yes. And these quotes are by Abby Wynn. And the book is called Energy Healing Made Easy. Unlock Your Potential as a Healer, also by Abby Wynn. And truthfully, I'll be very honest, if you have never heard of Abby Wynn, but there's a very nice picture of her on the back of the book. And she is an energy healer, shamanic psychotherapist, teacher, and best-selling author of How to Be Well. And this energy healing is a powerful technique based on the principle that our physical body is only one part of our wellness picture. We also have an energetic body that affects our physical, mental, and emotional health. She explains how energy impacts you in your everyday life and how you can work with it to heal, rebalance, and thrive. So this is definitely a self-care book, and there's exercises in here and how to shift bad attitudes. She has an introduction part, and actually this is quite a book that I am not going to go through all the different parts of it, but it's how you can use your energy to help yourself and help others, and heal yourself and maybe heal others. Listening to your body. This is definitely a comprehensive book for sure, and it does have exercises in it. It tells you how to get started, the principles of energy healing, grounding, expanding, creating more space for yourself, energy healing as a spiritual practice. And there's quite a few exercises in here. It looks like at least 30 exercises you can do. So energy healing made easy. It's not a really big book, and I like, short and to the point books. So I'll show you how it's broken up. There's a lot of it's broken up even just in bullet points. So definitely check out this book. Let me do a quick recap. Now I want to start reading it actually. And the book, by the way, is $15.99 US. We got the book and the bookmark. We got the Valkyrie candle, the biscotti, the glass, which I'm going to show you at the end of the video how I use this glass. So I have some extra coffee and I'm going to make some iced coffee. The body scrub, the glow serum in pineapple, the tea drop. I got citrus ginger. I'm very excited to use this. And then our tea, I got blueberry acai mojito. You can make hot or cold tea. And I think I captured everything in this wonderful book. Thank you, Jinwei, for sending me this box for my review. This is my favorite box for the summer, for the spring, summer, since I've been getting this. It is my favorite box of 2023. I have to say, I love this box. It does make me feel happy just having these items. So thank you so much. If you have any questions, I will leave the link below to Tea, Pray, Love. You can get the welcome box, 10% off of code Jane. I'll leave a link too. Sign up to get the next quarterly box. I think it'll be released in September. And let me know what's on your mind. What do you do to relax? What do you do to make yourself happy and relieve stress? I would love to know in the comments below. If you made it to this far of the video, give me a thumbs up. And if you want to subscribe to my channel, it always brings a smile to my face. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye. So, I have this puppy with my afternoon iced coffee, 10 fluid ounces. Delish, delish. It is just leftover coffee from this morning, a little bit of creamer, vanilla flavored milk, and a bunch of ice. It's a perfect cup, glass, tassa for an afternoon drink. All right, guys, I will see you all in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.